Hello traders. Hello traders. Okay, so hope you can hear me well. Okay, hello traders. Welcome to this live streaming. For the people who are for the first time watching my channel, welcome to my channel. Congratulations to all of you. I'm always receiving your great comments about your improvement and your big profits in Forex trading my strategies. It's always my pleasure and wishing you always the best in your trading career. Okay, here we are. Faisal, hello King. Hello King. Sammy, hello. Mo, how are you? Dominic, hi Mr. King. Hello King. Give me $50. You can take it from the market, from Forex trading. Trade with me now and you will take your $50 from the market. Hope you are well. Thank you. Yes, I'm fine. Gary, hello King. Queenie, hello King. Welcome back. You're most welcome. Daiga, hi King. How are you? Hello Daiga. Good to see you again. Hi King. Hello. Hello to all of you. So I'm waiting for the number to increase a little bit before we can start. Okay, so mainly we will start entering this market, the euro-dollar market. The price is moving little above the EMAs. Okay, so on the euro-dollar we have a good opportunity since the volume is increasing also. So the market is starting to become volatile a little bit. Okay, so here I started selling. For the people who are first time watching my channel, of course, I advise you to watch my content from the beginning. For the setup here, we are using the EMA 9, this one, EMA 20, the red one, EMA 50, the blue one, and EMA 200, the green one. Okay, so the exponential moving averages. Also, we have the volume indicator with the EMA 20 applied to the volume indicator. Okay, for other markets, meanwhile, for the GBP dollar, it's moving downward. For the USD yen also. Okay, mainly the whole markets are providing great opportunities for the moment, okay? But we've already entered here on the euro dollar. Okay, so now for the moment, the market is moving upward. It's about great risk management skills. Okay, it's about the feeling and the reading of the market. As you can see, the volume was low. Now the volume has increased and reached EMA 20 and moving further. So the market is going into a higher volatility for the moment. As you can see, we are seeing big candles. The market was in a consolidation. Okay, so we've seen a consolidation here for some time. Okay, and now the volume is increasing. The market is moving upward in much aggressive mode. Okay, so now we are selling to be reaching the EMAs. And it's about a great risk management skills. So we are waiting for the market to provide us with the great second entry opportunity. Okay, now I will be selling for my second entry. Okay. Dino, good to see you again. Honey, hello King, long time. Long time no see you, hi. Glad to see you back. I hope you're doing well. Yes, I'm fine. Hope you're doing well too. Thank you very much for your great words. It's always my pleasure. Okay, so here we are. The market is still moving upward, as you can see. I am waiting for the price to move higher a little bit before selling it. Okay, so now you can start selling with me the euro dollar. Now you can start selling this market to be making big profits. Okay, so the price now is returning back to be reaching the EMAs. So now many of you have sold with me the euro dollar market. Okay, so now start preparing to close on your profits since the price is returning to reach the EMAs. So we're just starting out. This is just a little small position we've started out. Okay. Again, waiting for the market to be reaching the EMAs. Okay, the price now is moving downward, as you can see. Big bearish candles, as expected. The volume held above EMA 20 for some time. That's great. And now the volume is fading a little bit, moving below EMA 20 because the market is returning. Okay, the market was in an upward movement. It was a small upward movement, obviously, okay, as you can see. However, the market was trending upward, even though a small uptrend. But now the volume moved below EMA 20 because we are now in the retracement of this upward movement. And now, as you can see, the market reached the EMA 9, the first one. However, my target is for the EMA 20 or below. So that's why I didn't close on the EMA 9. And now the market will be returning toward these EMAs, EMA 9 and EMA 20, this area between EMA 9 and EMA 20. Okay, as you can see, the market is moving toward this area. Let's see other markets meanwhile. Okay, for the GBP dollar, big upward movement. Take a look at this big bullish candle. That's great. If you were buying, if you have bought the GBP dollar here, now it's time to close on your profits, of course. For the USD yen also, if you have bought, now it's time to close on your profits. Okay, for the euro dollar, it's moving around before reaching the EMAs. We have the 9 and the 20, the red one. As you can see, the market is moving downward, reaching EMA 9 again and again. Okay, moving down further. Okay, so here it's time to close. Okay, here it's time to close. As I told you, it's a small entry just to start up. Okay. Heisenberg, what do you think about FTMO? So you're talking about the FTMO challenge. Okay, it's a great challenge. It's very famous, very well known, a great challenge among other challenges. Of course, there's also other challenges that are also very reputable and great. However, the FTMO is very well known. It's a great challenge. It's not mandatory to take the FTMO challenge. However, each trader that would like to take the challenge, it's okay. It's a great experience to add on your trading career, and most importantly, to benefit from the experience, and the most importantly, to pass the challenge. However, many traders have bought from my website the 1% trading strategy and have passed the FTMO challenge with great results. Okay, with excellent results. Okay, so overall, it's a great experience to add on the career of a trader. Okay, however, it depends on each trader if he would like to take it or not. Okay, so as I told you, you have to read the market very carefully. Forex trading is not a game. As you can see here, I told you the market will be moving toward these EMAs, and now the market is in between of these EMAs. Okay, that's how you should be able to read the market. Now the market is moving downward in aggressive mode, the euro dollar. Okay, so for the people who have sold with me the euro dollar should have made a small profit. If you didn't close yet on your entries, now it's a great time to close on your entries on the euro dollar. Okay, Heisenberg, thanks King, you're most welcome. Okay, so traders, now it's time to close on your profits from the selling there. Okay, and now I'm going to start buying this beautiful market because it's moving in a highly volatile mode. High volatility is always recommended in scalping, and unfortunately new traders are always afraid from big news, from high volatility. When the price starts moving fast, they get a shock, let's say. They don't know how to act, and that's normal. Okay, that's normal. Don't blame the market, neither yourself. You're just a beginner, so you have to learn how to trade higher volatility. Okay, so keep learning, keep falling, keep trading, especially during high volatile times, because you benefit a lot. Here is where you build your great experience. Okay, when the price is moving slower, you are building a great experience, of course, but you are taking more time. Okay, so 1 hour in a high volatility mode is like 3 or 4 hours in a slow mode, because the price is giving you the whole experience in a very fast mode. Okay, moving upward and downward very fast. The higher the volatility, the better. However, I repeat, for beginners, high volatility is something that is hard for beginners. They get afraid of, and it's normal, it's usual. Okay, okay, here we are. Now I am buying this market. We are still in the euro dollar. Hello, how do we know if we should buy or sell more candles? As explained previously at the start of this beautiful live streaming with you traders, here we have sold, and it was about a great risk management skills. Okay, it was a small entry. Okay, we just starting out. Okay, it was just a $19. It's a small entry just to start up from somewhere. Okay, so however, even though in this small entry I have showed you how to manage the risk management and your entry skills. Okay, so for how many candles, it's not about how many candles, it's not about counting candles here. Okay, it's not about counting candles. It's much more deeper than that, and everything is very well explained in the full version of the EMA strategy. I'm trading mainly on my channel. I am trading the EMA strategy, the basic version of it, and everything is very well explained in the full version available on my website. Okay, length of my volume sticks is different from yours. Is it because of different broker? Exactly. Okay, Dadosh, I think. Okay, exactly. Of course, different brokers have different volumes. Okay, of course. It's the tick volume, the number of ticks. So it's associated with the network of the broker. If the broker has a bigger network, it means it will be providing a bigger volume because it will have more ticks. Okay, so it depends on each broker. However, they are very close from each other usually. Okay. Please save this video. Of course, all of my live streamings are always saved. You can find them in the playlist on my channel, of course, in the playlist entitled Forex live streamings. Okay, I think so. It's very well. You can find it very well in the live streaming playlist on my YouTube channel. All of my live streamings. Okay. So this one you can watch the replay again and again. Okay, traders who have bought with me, now prepare to to close on your orders. Now start preparing to close on your orders, and let's reach a bigger target here. Okay, so I'll be looking for somewhere here above the 3 EMAs. Okay, so for the traders who have bought with me, now you can start buying. Okay, I will be increasing. Now I'm trading from one of my biggest accounts. Okay, so I will be showing you how to make big profits trading from a big account. Okay, and hopefully you will get there. Of course, start slowly, step by step. Never, let's say, walk on the ladder step by step, okay? Never try to make 4 steps or 5 steps at once. This will hurt your trading career, believe me. If you have passed, let's say, level 1, level 2, level 3, okay, just to give an example, of course, there's no levels, but just so you can understand. Let's say a beginner have passed level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, great. And then he decided, I want to go to level 10 immediately. I don't want to pass through 6, 7, 8, 9. Then what happens? He goes to level 10 immediately. He didn't fit. He didn't fit in level 10. It's impossible to fit. Then he returns to what? To which level? And here is the risk, to level 1. Forex trading is hurtful. Pay attention. If you want to jump 4 or 5 levels, okay, you will find yourself at level 0 or level 1. You will not return to the point that you have reached before. Okay, so don't make these mistakes that are very frequent by all traders. Step by step. It's the most lucrative career. Okay, take your time. Take your time, day in, day out. The only way to improve is to be on the right path, first of all, from the beginning, because there's lots of nonsense out there. So you need the right information, definitely, as same as with any other career. So first of all, to be on the right path, and then it's about you. It depends on each trader. You have to improve. You have to trade day in, day out. Each day in, day out trading, the trader can only improve through more practice and experience. Sorry for that. Okay, now the market is upward. As I told you, be patient trader. Okay, be patient traders. Here we have $150, but we are still patient. Okay, for the traders who have bought with me, now the euro dollar, for the traders who have bought with me, now I know that you are in big profit. However, wait, okay, give it more. For the people who have bought the euro dollar with me, now let's give it more time for the market to be moving upward further, and then we will close on our profits. Okay, so the price is still in between the EMAs. We are waiting for a higher movement, upward movement. So let's say somewhere here. It depends on the aggressiveness of the market. What did I say previously? I told you that the volume has moved below EMA 20. Okay, now the volume is not crossing EMA 20 again, because this upward movement, so many buyers have entered this upward movement, and from here, let's say the market started moving in slower mode because the volume faded below EMA 20 from there almost, and as you can see, the market entered again in a slow mode, and this upward movement has ended immediately. The retracement was done completely, and now the market is reaching the EMAs, and we are making profits from our buying entry. As you can see, the market started moving downward from there. However, we have entered just at the right moment before the market reverse and start moving upward. That's it. I can read it like an open book. That's what you need to learn. This is what takes experience, okay? Now, as you can see, we are on $150 profits, and we are still waiting. Be patient, wait on your profits, okay? Again, Hung, for my analysis, the market is raging, correct? Again, Hung, everything is very well explained in the full version. Everything is very well explained on my website, okay? These are advanced questions. Both strategies is a must buy. Daiga, practice, and it will make wonders to see you as a trader combined with mindset and constant learning. Thank you, Daiga. Exactly. That's it. Getting the complete trading skill set, being on the right path, having the right info, and from there, it depends on each trader. It's about improving, focusing on improving their trading skills. That's it. Okay. Please help. I am selling AUD dollar. Okay, let's see for the AUD dollar. For the AUD dollar, the market is not moving. It's not moving. Okay, so the market is very slow. So for the AUD dollar, even though if you have entered, you will be making a very small profit. Okay, so for your next entry, try to look for a better opportunity to enter the market. Okay. Do you compare the M1 interval with day one? Okay, so you mean the M1 or 1 minute time frame with daily time frame or higher? Okay, you can use other time frames associated with your trading time frame, and here it's the 1 minute time frame. Okay, traders, what did I say? That's how you should be able to read the market. Now we have good profits. The market is moving upward. We have around $500 in profits. Now you can close and relax. Okay, close on your profits. $600 in profits, $600 in profits, and I'm still waiting. And now I'm closing slowly. That's how you should trade. That's how you should learn to trade. And now sell this market. Come on, traders. Now take your profits and now sell this market. You have to flip your account immediately. Okay? Be fast, close, and now flip your account. This is the first $800 in profits. That's nothing. That's peanuts. Okay? We are just starting out. Now, close on your profits and sell this beautiful market for further profits. You have to be very fast to flip your account. As you can see, the market is always giving you opportunities. You just have to read it like an open book. Once you are able to read this beautiful market, you will join the 1% club, the 1% successful Forex traders worldwide. In this whole career, I've traded with biggest prop firms, with everyone, every company, everything you want to know, I have entered into, I have learned, I have traded with, I've seen everything in this market. Believe me, 1% only are successful, only. And no one know about them, no one. Because they don't need to show that. 99% are losers in this market. Imagine how hard is Forex trading. But how beautiful it is when you move from the 99% to the 1%. Just imagine. The money is a byproduct. So profits gives you money. It's a byproduct. You will get it. It's a byproduct. Once you are successful, money follows you. Okay? Even if you've started a company and you are successful, if you are looking for the money, you will not be successful in your company. If you start a company to solve a problem, to become an entrepreneur, to be the best in what you do, you will be, if you are seeking success and you start a company in order to succeed, to solve a problem, to help the market, to give a solution to a big problem in the market, yes, you will get successful and money will follow you. Okay, so it's not about the money. It's a byproduct. Seek success and money will follow you. Profits are there, okay? Profits and Forex trading are there. Seek success, okay? Do you compare? Okay, we've answered. With this strategy, I made from $100 Vladimir up to $420 from Monday to Thursday last week, but I was trading very aggressive. You're most welcome, Vladimir. Congratulations for your big profits. Okay, trading in aggressive mode is okay if done at the right moment. Okay, trading in aggressive mode is okay if done at the right moment. Okay, but trading in aggressive mode at the wrong time, of course, is not recommended. Okay, so it's not always to trade in aggressive mode, but trading in aggressive mode at the right time. Okay. Jam, love you. You're most welcome. Hi KOF, how are you? Hello, and welcome to this live streaming. Okay, so here we are still holding on this selling entry. As you can see now, the volume has reached the EMA 20. And when did the volume reach EMA 20? Exactly here, when this upward movement started. Okay, so here I should be selling further. Okay, however, it's fine. Okay, so we are looking for these. I wanted to sell further here, a second entry. However, I was replying to the chat comments. It's fine, it's fine. Okay, so as you can see, the volume has reached the EMA 20 from here, from this upward candle, bullish candle, this white big candle, and the volume held above EMA 20, but not for so long. If you can read the market, now the market is moving downward. It's going to reach the EMAs, and mainly I will be closing at the EMA 20. Okay, so now you should have sold somewhere here with me on the euro dollar, and now you should be waiting to close on your profits. Okay. Okay, so here we are. Again, the price is moving toward the EMA 9, but not reaching it yet. Suarzo, KOF every day gets profit with your strategy. You're most welcome. Congratulations for your big profits. Enjoy it. At the end, it's about enjoying your success. Okay, so here I will be selling. So now when the market is going down, I will be making double profits, of course, okay? Because I have entered this market twice. Again, the price is preparing to move downward. For the GBP dollar, we have a good downward movement. It was a better even opportunity here on the GBP dollar. However, we have missed it because we were on the euro dollar. It was a great opportunity here on the GBP dollar. I think many of you have sold the GBP dollar here. Please write in the comment section if you have sold the GBP dollar and made profits from it. Okay, it has provided a better opportunity than the euro dollar. Okay, of course, missing opportunities is always acceptable in forex trading. Okay, but the fear of missing trades make traders enter the market at the wrong moment. Okay, so missing is acceptable, but never try to enter the market just to enter the market. Okay, this is not acceptable because it's going to it leads to failure definitely. Okay, the GBP dollar also returning to reach the EMAs. The USD yen is now providing a good buying opportunity. For the AUD dollar moving upward, providing a good selling opportunity previously at this candle. Again, we return for the euro dollar. The market is still upward. So for the GBP dollar, again, it was a great selling opportunity here. So for the people who have sold this market, now you should be making good profits. So tell us in the comment section how much of profits you've made from this entry on the GBP dollar here. Okay, before we get back to close and start preparing to close on your profits on the euro dollar. Okay, the euro dollar is still above the EMAs, so waiting for a big downward movement. For the GBP dollar, it has returned toward the EMAs, so mainly you don't have any opportunity here on the GBP dollar, okay? For the USD yen also, the market is moving in a slow mode, let's say. Okay, for the USD yen. And now it was a good opportunity to buy the USD yen, so now the market is moving upward on the USD yen. Okay. Okay, for the euro dollar, it's time to sell it again. The market is providing a great opportunity here on the euro dollar. Okay, now sell the euro dollar with me. If you didn't enter yet, now it's a great time to enter the euro dollar market to be closing on your big profits, okay? For the GBP dollar, again, if you have sold this market here, a great opportunity. Now it's time to close, of course. Okay, and for the euro dollar, again, it's a great selling opportunity. So now for the euro dollar, the market is moving downward in a great mode. Big bearish candles are on the way for the euro dollar, so pay attention. Okay. Okay, pay attention to the euro dollar. We'll be closing soon on our profits. The market is moving downward. Big bearish candles. Okay, wait a little bit on the euro dollar. As you can see, the market was facing difficulties moving upward. Very small candles. And as I told you to sell from there, the market started the downward movement. Again, the market is heading upward. Okay, now you can sell further the euro dollar before the market move again toward the EMA 20 or the red one. Of course, you can use any color. Okay, so pay attention here to this beautiful market. The market is going to make big bearish candles reaching the EMA 20 and moving slightly toward the EMA 50. So here we'll be closing on our profits. However, for the GBP dollar, it's moving upward. For the USD yen, if you have bought, now it's a great opportunity. For the AUD dollar, if you have sold here, you should have closed on your profits. And now it's providing another selling opportunity. For the USD CAD, the market is still slow. However, the price is very close from EMA 9. Okay, so again, waiting for the euro dollar. Big bearish candles are on the way on the euro dollar. And for the GBP dollar, if you have sold here, it's a great time to close. You should have closed actually on your big profits. Okay, again for the euro dollar, making a big movement. Okay, now it's about managing your risk before the big bearish movement. Okay, so now it's time to sell this market. Okay, so again waiting for the euro dollar. Also, the GBP dollar now is providing a good selling opportunity. So for the GBP dollar also, it's providing a good selling opportunity. And for the euro dollar, it's about your timing. Pay attention. So entering at the right moment, keeping a distance to manage your risk between your orders. And the market is going to reach the EMA 20 in a very aggressive mode. Take a look. For the GBP dollar, again, as I told you, it was a great selling opportunity here. And the market now has reached EMA 9, so you could have closed here on the EMA 9. Okay, again for the euro dollar, the bearish movement has started. The market is moving in a downward mode after a rejection here. However, the volume has increased a lot, so it's a good okay, so we have a higher volatility now, so the price should be moving faster. if the volume keep it in this upward crossing EMA 20 and holding above it is always great, since the market will be moving in a faster mode. Okay. Again, the market is moving downward, so the downward movement started, and the market will be reaching the EMA 20. Pay attention to how aggressive the market is. As I told you, big downward movement is on the way, and start preparing to close on your profits. As you can see, the market is moving downward further and further. Okay, mainly we are going to close here between EMA 20 and EMA 50. That's how you should be able to read the market. Take a look. The market has moved downward further. We are getting closer from the EMA 20. Okay, we are getting further from the EMA 20. We are getting further. Okay, so now it's time to close on your profit. Be very fast. Close on your profits immediately. Okay, close. Now close on your profits, traders, on EMA 20. Because the market is highly volatile, so the market is continuing to reach the EMA, the blue one, 50, but we could see a movement upward. Okay, so it's time to close on your profits here on the EMA 20. Now close on your profits, traders, and be fast. Okay, close on your profits, traders. As you can see, the market has moved downward. Exactly, the market is dictating my expectations. The market is always dictating my predictions. That's how you should be able to read the market, traders. And now let's give it another good buy opportunity, traders. Let's give it another good buy opportunity. Okay, it's a good buying opportunity, traders. Let's give it to the market. It's a very short opportunity, however, just to show you how to read the market, how to be a hero in trading, how to show the market your skills. The market is always waiting for your skills. Just show your skills, show the market that you can read it very well. It's your passion. If you don't have passion for this career, don't never ever think even about trading. Okay, as you can see, now we are buying actually. Okay, now close on your selling profits. You have made a big profits. So tell me in the chat section how much of profits you've made from this entry. Okay, traders, waiting for your comments. We're trading a lot, non-stop trading. Okay, just tell us how much of profits you've made before I buy this market again and again. Tell us how much of profits you've made from this market. Okay, so how much of profits you've made from this real. Okay. Again, how much of profits you've made before this re-entry, let's say. Okay. So now it's a re-entry or a second immediate entry. Okay. As you can see, it's a short entry. As I told you previously, it's a short buying opportunity, just to show your skills to the market, just to make a small profit from it, just to show the market that you can read it like an open book. It's not about fighting with the market. It's about getting the signs from the market. It's about reading the market. It's about your passion. It's about reading the market like an open book. Okay, the market is always telling you either to buy or to sell. Once you understand the market, you don't fight with it. Once you understand the market, you make profits easily. Profits will be targeting you and not you. It's not you going toward profits. Profits will be going toward you. Okay? Okay, that's it, traders. That's it. Very easily. You relax. Okay, that's it. I told you it's a short buying opportunity. Okay, so we're going to make around $300, I think, with it. Okay. It's a short buying opportunity, as you can see. Okay? Easily. Okay? You can relax and trade very easily. Okay? Okay, I want to reply on your comments. However, the market is fluctuating a lot, providing great opportunities. So from the start of this live streaming, we are on a non-stop trading. Okay, how much of profits, again, did you make from this great selling opportunity before now closing on this buying opportunity? Okay, So please tell us in the comment section how much of profits you've made from this great selling opportunity before this re-entry, okay? Again, now the market slowed a little bit, but we are going to see a big white candle. So I'm waiting for this big white candle for almost here, around here, let's say, and here I'll be closing on my profits. As I told you from before entering this one, that it's going to be a short entry, just to be showing you how to keep flipping the market, okay? How to keep flipping the market, flipping your profits and moving faster and faster. Okay, so it's just exactly. The market is dictating my predictions exactly. I told you I'm waiting for a big white candle, and that's it. It's about to form. It's about to establish. Let's wait for it. Okay, so traders who have bought with me, be preparing now your account to close on your profits. And again, please tell us in the comment section how much of profits you've made during this selling movement, and congratulations in advance for your profits made. Okay, the market is moving downward further, so it's another buying opportunity. I could have closed here with $200, I think, in profits, but I'm waiting for this big white candle to be closing with further profits. And since the market has moved a little bit further downward, so I've placed another buying entry. Okay, so I'm waiting for the big white candle. It's on the way. It should have been there, but missed it. Okay, and the volume is a little bit moving below EMA 20. Okay, so waiting for the big bullish candle to close on our profits. Let's see other markets meanwhile. For the GBP dollar, okay, for the GBP dollar, wait a little bit further. The price is just moving below the EMA 9, so wait a little bit, okay, 1 to 2 candles, and start buying this market. Then you can close on your profits. Okay, for the euro dollar, the market is moving further. Okay, so the market is moving downward, so give space between your orders, as you can see, and always pay attention to the market watch. Let's see for the GBP dollar. Now you can start, okay, as I was discussing for the GBP dollar, now you can start entering this market. Okay, again for the euro dollar. Okay, we'll be answering your questions meanwhile. Okay, do we need to know how, I think we've been there. Okay, do we need to know how to recognize candlestick patterns? Of course, it's about reading the market, okay? It's about the reading of the market, and of course, recognizing candlestick patterns, of course, is essential, okay? It's one of the needed skills, of course, which to develop your reading of the market. Hello from Serbia. You're most welcome. My greetings to Serbia. How can I see, Alex, my orders on MT4 on computer? Okay, as you can see, you have them at the below, okay? These should be your orders, okay? Here are placed. I get 350 USD. You are superhero in my life. You're most welcome. Congratulations for your $350 profits. 7.9, congratulations also. Hello King, nice to see you again. Made $3,200 in few minutes. Thanks King. You're most welcome. Congratulations for your big profits. Again, for the euro dollar, I will be placing another buying order. Okay. So again, I repeat, you don't have to keep buying or selling. It's about the reading of the market and managing the risk. Okay. As you can see here, I'm giving space between my orders. For the GBP dollar, as I told you here, to buy, now it's a great opportunity. You should actually have closed here with big profits. And for another entry, if you are looking for another entry on the GBP dollar, now it's also a good opportunity. Okay, so here if you have bought, now it's a great opportunity to close there, and now the market is providing you with another buying opportunity. For the euro dollar, the market is preparing for the bullish movement, so big bullish candles are on the way. The volume is increasing, the market is fluctuating better, in a much better mode. Okay, so you just have to be patient, few minutes, and you get your profits from the market. Okay. Again, okay, here we are. The market is preparing for the bullish mode, as you can see. Okay, the market started to move upward, as you can see. Okay. Okay, as you can see. Now the market is moving upward, reaching EMA 9. Take a look, traders. Take a look. Now the market has reached the EMA 9 and moving down further. Okay, now you can close on your profits. However, you will be closing too early, okay? Too early on. It's too early to close on your profits. Wait for the market to be reaching these EMAs and enjoy your big profits. Okay, wait. Keep waiting, traders. Wait on your profits. As I told you, the market is always dictating my predictions. As I told you, the market will be moving upward in this aggressive mode. Okay, so give the market the time to be moving upward further. Okay, take a look. The market is moving upward. Now you can start closing on your profits. However, I will be waiting for the market to be moving upward further. And now it's a great opportunity to be closing on your big profits. Okay, so you can wait if you want further profits, and you can close now if you are satisfied with your profits. It's all about your timing, your satisfaction. Okay, and what you are looking for. However, now I will be waiting for further bigger profits from the market. Okay, so here I could have closed, however, waiting for bigger profits from the market. So as you can see, the market is moving upward. Okay, so for the people who have closed on their profits here, just tell us how much of profits you've made. Okay, for the people who have closed, please tell us how much of profits you've made. And for traders who are still waiting for a higher movement, okay, it's about closing soon. So for the traders who have closed here, please tell us how much of profits you've made. And for the traders waiting for the higher movement with me, okay, let's wait for the higher movement traders. Okay, now the market is preparing for this aggressive movement. Take a look at the volume. The volume was below EMA 20, and from there, the volume crossed EMA 20 and held above it. So the volume is increasing, showing the aggressiveness of this upward movement. Here, the market is trying to trick you. The market is always actually trying to trick you. So here, the market was trying to trick you to think that it's going to be in a downward movement and to close on your profits early on. But if you are very well developed, you know that it was not the sign of a bearish movement. And as you can see, the market was rejected immediately here from the bearish movement. This is from there, the market started to move upward. Okay, pay attention. I will be explaining more and more in details about that just now. Focus on closing on your profits. Okay, focus now. The market will be moving upward. The market will be moving in a higher movement. Okay, so again, at this movement, the market did not reach the high level that that has reached previously. Let's see for other markets. For the GBP dollar, the market is moving upward. Okay, again, for the GBP dollar, if you have bought here, it was a great buying opportunity here. Okay, so for the GBP dollar, it was a great buying opportunity here. As I told you to buy here, so now you should be closing on your profits on the GBP dollar, okay? As I told you to buy here on the GBP dollar, now you should be closing on your profits. Also, for the traders who have bought the GBP dollar and closed here on the EMA 20, let's say, tell us in the comment section how much of profits you've made. Okay, a few minutes and we'll return back to the chat section. Okay. Okay, so we are waiting for this one. For the GBP dollar, again, okay traders, for the GBP dollar, now of course it's time to close on your profits. Don't wait further than that, okay? If you have closed on the EMA 9 perfect, EMA 20 perfect, and now it's time to close on your profits, okay? So pay attention here for the GBP dollar. For the traders who have entered the GBP dollar market, it's time to close on your profits, okay? For the euro dollar, we are still there. The market is still hovering around this area before moving upward. Okay, so big upward movement is to be accomplished by the euro dollar market, okay? Again, for the GBP dollar, it's time, exactly as I told you, it's time to close on your profits on the GBP dollar, okay? Again, for the euro dollar, for the traders who have closed here, tell us in the comment section how much of profits you've made. And for the GBP dollar, tell us also how much of profits you've made. And for the traders who have closed here on the euro dollar, tell us how much of profits you've made, okay? Okay. Made $3,200 in a few minutes. Thanks, King. You're most welcome. Hi, King. Nice to trade with you live. You're most welcome. Okay, so the euro dollar is moving still downward. Okay, now it's a good buying opportunity at this level. Okay, the volume has crossed the EMA 20, so the market is moving downward to be accumulating the bullish power needed before moving upward. Okay. So you should always be able to read the market. For the GBP dollar, it was a good closing opportunity there. You should have closed there for the GBP dollar. Okay. And as you can see for the euro dollar, the market was rejected here. So the market has moved a little bit in this downward movement before starting to move upward. Okay. We could have closed here, but small profits. Okay. There is higher movement by the market. Okay, however, many traders of you have closed here, so tell us in the comment section how much of profits you've made when closed there. Okay, and if you are waiting for the bigger profits, as you can see, the market is preparing for the bullish upward movement. Okay, so the market is fluctuating here at this level. For the GBP dollar, you should have closed here. For the USD yen, it's providing a good selling opportunity. For the AUD dollar, also a good buying opportunity. Okay, so if you've been looking for the AUD dollar, you should have bought somewhere here. Okay, it's a good opportunity for the AUD dollar to buy here. Okay, and for the USD CAD, it's a buying opportunity there. Okay, so now you should have closed. For the USDCHF, it's providing a selling opportunity. Okay, I'm trying my best to show you the whole markets. Okay, so in whichever market you're entering, you know what to do, when to enter and when to close. Okay, again waiting for the euro dollar to get up further. Okay, the market is moving a little bit slower. However, a big bullish candles are on the way. The market will be making a big upward movement. Okay, so still waiting for it. And meanwhile, the GBP dollar is not providing any opportunity. However, this market has provided a buying opportunity here and another one there. Okay. Okay, again, so for the traders who have closed on their profits here, tell us in the comment section how much of profits you've made. And if you are still waiting for the higher movement, that's fine. You can add on your profits here from adding on your orders to be increasing your profits. So adding on your orders to be increasing your profits. Again, the market is heading upward toward the EMAs. Here we have the EMA 9. It was a weak downward movement. It's about the reading of the market to understand the weakness and when the market is strong. Okay, so now the market is moving upward, reaching the EMA 9 first of all. As you can see, hovering around the EMA 9. Okay, so hovering around the EMA 9, as you can see. Okay, upward movement. The market is still on the EMA 9, preparing for this upward movement, moving upward step by step. Okay. So if you didn't buy the euro dollar market yet, even though the market has reached this first EMA 9, you can now buy it because the market is going to move higher, so you don't miss on your opportunity to be making large profits. Okay, so now for the traders who didn't enter this market yet, you can start buying the euro dollar now. It's a great opportunity to buy the euro dollar before reaching the whole EMAs. Okay, however, for the GBP dollar, it was a good selling opportunity, even though a small profit but very fast. Okay, only one candle up and the second candle down, reaching the EMAs. So it was a good fast opportunity. Okay, for the USD yen, as I told you to sell there. Okay, now you can close. Okay, so I'm trying to reach the whole market, so in whichever your order is opened, to know very well what's the situation. For the AUD dollar, as we've been discussing this market, it was a great buying opportunity here, so hopefully you've bought it there and now you should have closed on your profits. For the USD CAD, again, okay, here it was a good buying opportunity, but pay attention. For example, there or there, it was not a good buying opportunity for the USD CAD. Why? Because the market, the price was very close from EMA 9. Okay, again, I repeat. Okay, so the price was very close from EMA 9 here, so it was not a good buying opportunity. Okay, but here it was a great buying opportunity. For the USDCHF, mainly we don't have anything. The market is moving in a slow mode. Euro GBP is providing a good buying opportunity for the moment. Okay, so the Euro GBP is also providing a good buying opportunity now for the moment. You are talking about now. The Euro GBP is providing a good buying opportunity. Okay, we are still looking for the euro dollar to continue this upward movement after hovering around the EMA 9, as you can see. Okay, so for the euro dollar, the market is hovering around EMA 9, preparing for this upward movement to be made by the market. Again, the GBP dollar is moving upward. Okay, big bullish candles are on the way, so we are waiting for the aggressive movement by the market. And here, for the GBP dollar, you don't have any entry yet. Okay, so it's about the euro dollar. We are waiting for the market to be reaching the other EMAs, reaching the first one here, hovering around it before continuing further. Okay, I will be trying to answer your questions meanwhile since we are waiting for the market to get upward. Okay. Hi King, nice to trade with you live. You're most welcome. I purchased your both strategies, okay, and I'm always winning now. I made $500 with you on my real account. Thank you so much, King. You are a real king and hero. You're most welcome, Queenie. You're most welcome. It's always my pleasure. Congratulations for your big profits and for your improvement. Keep moving forward. I'm not trading, just watching you to learn. Okay, that's fine. And you can also trade with me, so you can learn much better because you are putting this knowledge into practice. Okay. However, of course, it's up to you. If you are learning without trading, just watching to learn, of course, it's very beneficial. Okay. Your strategies are life-saving. Thank you so much. It's my pleasure. And actually, this is my legacy. So I've started my website to be placing traders on the right path toward success. And that's my legacy. I've done everything in Forex trading in this market and this beautiful career. And finally, I've decided to be making my legacy. So I've started my website to be placing traders on the right path toward success. And that's my full legacy. Okay. I closed and made $69 and now re-entered. Okay, great. Congratulations, even though a small profit, but however, profit is profit. Junri, hello, King. I just opened a trade on euro dollar. Okay, perfect. So you've just joined. That's perfect. You can start buying this market. Okay, the euro dollar will be going upward, reaching this area between EMA 50, the blue one, and EMA 200. The last resistance area from this downward movement, from this downtrend. Okay, we have the first resistance area between EMA 9 and EMA 20. The second resistance area between EMA 20 and EMA 50. The last one, the toughest one, between 50 and 200. So here I will be closing on my profits. Okay, again the price started moving upward after hovering around EMA 20. Now the market is getting much more aggressive. Okay, now the market is much more aggressive in the upward movement. Okay, the market is reaching the EMA 20. Okay, so give it time, be patient. It's about a few minutes. It's about scalping. Okay, so now the price is moving in the first resistance area between EMA 9 and the 20. However, the market has entered the second resistance area between 20 and 50. Of course, you cannot control the speed of the market. Sometimes the market is returning immediately toward the EMAs. Sometimes it takes longer. So, of course, you cannot control the speed of the market. However, as a scalper, of course, you always wish for the market to be very fast. That's why it's always recommended to trade highly volatile times and scalping. So the market would be moving very fast. The price would be moving away from the EMAs, creating a larger distance, because high volatility means not just the market is moving fast, but also it means higher pips, okay, larger pips. The market is making larger movements, okay? So that's it. It's always recommended to trade highly volatile times because the price will be moving very fast away from EMAs, creating a large distance, providing a great entry. You can enter. The price will be reaching the EMAs very fast, okay? So, of course, at the end, you cannot control the speed of the market. But, of course, in scalping, it's the fastest way to be earning profits. And, of course, it's the most powerful way to be making very big profits, okay? Scalping is the best way in Forex trading because you are closing, you are day trading, you are closing on your profits before you sleep. So you are finishing your day, you are entering and closing very fast in minutes. Scalping is the best. As I told you, traders, the market is continuing to dictate my predictions. Take a look at this big bullish candle. Okay, as always. However, the missing sign here is the volume. The volume is still below EMA 20, so here is the missing sign. Okay, that's why the market is accumulating the bullish power. The bullish power is there, but it's not in a large amount. So we are still waiting for a larger pressure from buyers to be moving the market further. As you can see, the market is moving upward, however returning immediately, okay? Okay, we are still in the second resistance area between EMA 20 and 50, the red one and the blue one. Okay, so it's just about waiting for the market. Okay, you have to be patient in Forex trading, of course. Trading psychology is essential, and being patient is essential in Forex trading, okay? Again, the market is still hovering around the EMAs. Okay, so again waiting for the price to be moving upward. Big upward movement is on the way. However, the market is still hovering there with a small volume, so the market is doing nothing, neither upward, neither downward. Just hovering around before moving upward. So be preparing to close on your profits, traders. Sudden big white candles are on the way. As you can see, the market is in silent mode before moving much faster. Okay. Again. Let's see other markets. Meanwhile, for the GBP dollar, it was a great selling opportunity here. And now you should be waiting to close on your profits, okay? It was a great selling opportunity there. For the USD yen also. Now the market has reached the EMAs on the USD yen. For the AUD dollar also, it was a great selling opportunity. USD CAD also. Okay, USD CHF, you don't have anything. Don't trade such markets. Dead markets, okay? Don't trade such markets, okay? Again, let's return to the euro dollar. Okay, again, we are seeing the beginning of the bullish movement. Hopefully it continues. The missing sign is always the volume. Okay, now the volume is increasing. That's a great sign to be indicating the continuation of the upward movement. Okay, again. For the GBP dollar, for the traders who have sold there, now you should be waiting for a further downward movement on the GBP dollar, okay? Again, for the euro dollar. Okay, so the market is indecisive for the moment, just hovering around these EMAs lines, okay, and it's fine. It's normal. It happens sometimes, that's it. Okay, you just have to be patient. So we are still waiting for this aggressive upward movement. Okay, the market is heading upward. Crossed EMA 9, EMA 20, and now moving toward the EMA 50, as you can see. Moving toward the EMA 50. Again, rejected. However, the market has already accumulated the bullish power. That's what I'm talking about. There's no reason for the market to stay there. The market has already accumulated the bullish power. That's how you should be able to lead the market. And now we are going upward. Start preparing to close on your profits, traders. Okay, the bullish power has been accumulated and the market started the upward movement, crossed EMA 9, 20, the 50, the blue one, and moving further. Now we are at the last resistance area, as I've been talking about in a while. Now we are at the last resistance area, which has created the area between EMA 20, EMA 50, the blue one, and EMA 200, the green one. Okay, now we are at the last resistance area. This is the toughest area. Okay, now you can start closing on your profits. However, for me, it's still small profit. I think here the market is still at the beginning of the small profits. Okay. Okay, now what did I say? What did I say, traders? Some minutes ago, the market is dictating my predictions. The price is moving upward. We have profited from this downward movement, so we have bought here. We have bought here to be making profits from this downward movement. Okay, since the market has moved downward here, we have added on our orders, and now the market is moving upward. Take a look. This candle is about to end. Always keep an eye on market watch. Okay, so this candle has ended. Let's see other markets in a fast mode. Okay, GBP dollar, you should have closed there. USD yen also, if you have bought here, now it's time to close. Okay, AUD dollar, now you should have closed. USD CAD, you don't have anything. USDCHF now started to move after being a dead market almost. Okay, for the euro dollar, rejected here, but let's see the continuation of this upward movement. Okay, the market is again reaching the EMAs 9 and 20 before continuing this upward movement. For the GBP dollar also, the market has reached the EMA 9 and the 20. Okay. Okay, so as you can see here, the market was rejected at this upward movement. Okay, where at the last resistance area between EMA 50 blue one and EMA 200 the green one. So as you can see, the market was rejected at the toughest resistance area, the strongest resistance area. In which sense? It means that this is the strongest one, so the price has the highest probability of bouncing off from there and continuing the downtrend at the last resistance area, as you've seen. Okay, so the price bounced from there and moved down further. Okay, again moving down further. If the market moves down slightly further, it's going to provide another buying opportunity before returning. However, this is the worst thing that can happen in the market, which is the not moving, let's say. Okay, so the market keeps fluctuating at the same level. Okay, neither going up nor going down. Okay, that's the worst period that happens in scalping. You just have to wait for it. It passes, of course. The market at the end is going to move either upward or downward. Okay, and hopefully very soon, since the market has already accumulated the bullish power. Okay, for the people who have closed there, please tell us in the comment section how much of profits you've made closing on your profits there. Okay, many of you have closed there. As I was telling you, you can start closing, so please tell us in the comment section how much of profits you've made closing there. Okay. Okay, I'm going to enter this market again. For the GBP dollar, you should have closed, definitely. Definitely you should have closed for the GBP dollar. For the USD yen, if you have bought here, a great time to close. For the AUD dollar also, you could have sold there, closed here, and now it's providing another buying opportunity. Okay. For the USD CAD, you could have bought here and now closed. However, a small opportunity and not big one. Okay, so again waiting for the euro dollar. It's still moving slightly downward after being rejected from the last toughest resistance area. And for the GBP dollar, we are still very close from the EMAs, okay? Okay, let me answer your questions meanwhile as much as possible. Okay, many have closed already on the euro dollar. Please tell us in the comment section how much of profits you've made. Okay, please, many of you have closed on the euro dollar with great profits, so just tell us how much of profits you've made. Okay, blessings, you are the best, you're most welcome. Hello, this is Edward from South Sudan. You're most welcome. My greetings to your country. Currently in Kenya. My greetings to Kenya. On which days are you live on YouTube? Okay, I'm not scheduling my live streamings, so it's just easily you can just subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you receive an instant notification whenever I'm going live. Okay. So I'm not scheduling my live streamings. It's just about, you just have to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you receive an instant notification whenever I'm going live. You're most welcome. Okay, Milos, 3 times, 4 euros each small account. Okay, if you are trading from 0.01 micro lot. If it was 0.1 mini lot, it would be 40 euros. And if you were trading from a bigger account, so using volume 1, then this would be 400 euros. Okay, so no worries at all. Okay, if you are trading micro lots, of course, it would be very small profits, but you have to start with micro lots at the end. Okay. Alcantara Banja. Why you make it okay, you make it look so easy. Can you share your trading journey from zero to legend? Okay, actually I'm sharing my trading journey, of course, from building this channel from zero, and here we are. Everyone knows about King of Forex, so okay, I'm already sharing my journey from zero to here. Okay, and I've placed the complete trading skill set on my website, okay? Because that's my legacy. Peter, 100 lots. Okay, Daiga, I made 69 plus $148. Thank you. Now re-entered. Okay, so you're re-entering for the 3rd time. Okay, great. For the traders who have closed already on their profits on the euro dollar and now have re-entered, okay, that's perfect. You can re-enter this market, okay? Minus 0.01 lot. Yes, exactly. That's it. The micro lot. Okay. 0.01, the micro lot. And again, of course, when you are trading from a micro lot, of course, profits are very small. However, it's not about the lot size. Okay. You should start from micro lots and then you can start increasing your orders. Okay. So it's fine. Okay, again for the euro dollar, the market is moving downward, so I'll be placing another order. For the GBP dollar, now it's a great buying opportunity. For the USD yen, also the price is very close from the EMAs. For the AUD dollar, it's also providing a great buying opportunity. For the euro GBP, we don't have any entry yet because the market is very close from, or the price is very close from the EMAs. Okay. Again, the euro dollar was rejected, so the market has moved slightly downward in this, and as you can see here, the market was rejected, preparing for the upward movement. Take a look at this hammer. Okay. So the market again was in this downtrend. However, the market was rejected here. After retracing, it was rejected in this, at this area, actually the last resistance area between EMA 50 and 200. The market here was rejected, okay, and bounced off toward continuing this downtrend movement. However, now the market was rejected from this downtrend here, and it's moving upward toward the EMA 9. For the GBP dollar, it's a great buying opportunity. For the USD yen, the market is moving upward. For the AUD dollar, also it's a good buying opportunity, okay. For the USD CAD, usdchf, also good buying opportunities, good selling opportunities on the USD CHF, okay, from there. And now it's time to close once reaching the EMAs. However, for this one also, as we have said, it's a good selling opportunity, but very close one, okay. So not a great opportunity, however it was a small selling opportunity, okay. For the euro dollar, we have crossed the EMA 9 and moving upward toward the EMA 20, as you can see. Okay, crossing the EMA 9 and moving upward toward the EMA 20, the red one. Okay, again, what leverage to use for a $1,000 balance? Of course, the best is to start with micro lots, okay, for the order size. For the leverage, the higher the better, okay, since you are scalping, so the higher the leverage, the better. Of course, it's very well known that you don't have to use a high leverage because it's risky. Of course, everything that you don't know what you are doing is risky. But if you know what you are doing, so the answer is the higher leverage, the better. Okay? The higher the leverage, the better. Why? Because in scalping, you may open many orders and enter the market very fast and quit even faster. Okay? So higher leverage can help you to increase to open more orders, okay. So the higher the leverage, the better, because you can open a higher number of orders, okay. However, if you ask anyone, or because everything famous in forex trading is to avoid, okay, as a general rule of thumb, so it's always recommended to start with a low leverage, because you cannot actually open big sizes and many orders because you have low leverage. Okay, so it's a kind of protect your account. Okay, but if you know what you are doing, higher leverage is much better because you are profiting from higher opportunities. Okay, and especially if you are scalping. Okay, many haters out there. Of course, there's no success without haters. Okay. If you don't have any haters, it means you are not successful. You are not doing anything. Success brings and attracts haters. Welcome on board, haters. Keep watching me. Keep following me always. That's what you do. Okay, to feel the market, Philip, to feel the market at the end, it has an algorithm. Okay, feeling the market is about, as the statement suggests, it's about the feeling of the market, okay? So, when you start trading day in, day out, after many years of experience, after trading different market situations, you will develop the feeling of the market. It means you can start reading the market like an open book. As you watch all my live streamings, all my videos, uploaded videos, I can read it like an open book, okay? The market is always dictating my predictions. Why? Because I feel the market. Because after 12, 13 years in trading, okay? Trading the whole different situations, knowing everything from A to Z in this career. You just feel the market. You know what the price is going to do, okay? What it's doing now and what it's going to do further, okay? That's the feeling of the market. It's something to be developed from trading, okay? Imagine you've met a new person in your life, and now after some time you will start knowing this person further. You will start knowing, for example, this person likes to do this and to do that, doesn't like to do this and doesn't like to do that, okay? With more time, you can start understanding this person, okay? So that's the feeling of the market. It's about knowing the market, feeling it. That's it, okay? Again, the price is moving upward. Finally, this market is starting to move upward. I'm still trying my best to trade and simultaneously answer your questions. You're most welcome, traders. It's my pleasure to see you on this live streaming. Again, okay, so yes, to feel the market, exactly, we've talked about it. Okay, so now the market is in the second resistance area. The price has crossed the first resistance area between EMA line and the 20 very easily, and entered the second one between 20 and 50, the red and the blue one. Okay, and now the price is heading upward toward the last resistance area, as you can see, between 50 and 200. Okay, the blue and the green one. So keep it up, traders. Okay, easy. Leverage 1 to 500. Okay, yes, leverage 1 to 500 is great. Okay, Philip, this is not English. Okay, that's fine. Okay, Philip, your comment is not in English, so I cannot answer it, unfortunately. Okay, leverage 1 to 500. Okay, yes, leverage 1 to 500 is great. Well, 1 to 500 is great. Of course, you don't need more than that, definitely. Jake King, you're the best. Thank you, Jake. Good day, King. Of your 12 years in trading, did you start your career with the EMA strategy? Definitely not, because the EMA strategy didn't exist. Okay, didn't exist. I've created it. So no, definitely no. I've started as all traders, okay, from zero. So my first years was not successful. It took me 3 years to become successful in Forex trading, okay? So it took me 3 years to learn everything. When I started trading, I loved it a lot, okay? First of all, my studies were aligned, let's say, with Forex trading, because I was very clever in mathematics, and I had received from I had received a scholarship from one of the most famous universities in the world, okay, and I did a master's degree in mathematics, and then I passed the CFA level 1 exam on first attempt. So I'm not saying that to succeed in Forex trading you need to do like me, to study mathematics and finance, of course not, but this, let's say, was an edge or an advantage for me when I started out, because I knew nothing about Forex trading. However, I had a great knowledge in mathematics and finance, okay? So I've started with a little edge more than the others, let's say, okay? Since I have at least this big knowledge. And from there, I've started trading day in, day out. It took me 3 years to start. Then I discovered the EMA strategy, the 1% trading strategy, how the 1% most successful traders trade, okay? How we, the 1% most successful traders, trade. The secret of success of the 1% traders is in the 1% trading strategy, okay? So of course, I started like any other trader, okay? And that's the beauty of this career, that you start very small and one day you reach the whole world, okay? Jake, big bullish candle is underway. Yes, mainly the price should be moving upward. However, it's hovering a lot, facing lots of difficulties breaking this resistance area, the second and third one, okay? So that's why the price is stuck, let's say here, in this resistance area. However, the market is always pushing upward, as you can see, and it took some minutes, it took a while, but you have to be patient waiting for it, okay? That's fine. Sometimes it's very fast, sometimes you wait, okay? That's trading. You can never ever control the speed of the market. It's always fine, okay? Philip, make it rain. Ah, okay. Yes, it's raining profits here, okay. Okay, is there another payment method for us on your website? Unfortunately, other payments methods are not available. It's only through my website by completing the checkout process successfully. Okay, no other payments methods are available. It's only through my website, through completing the checkout process successfully, as everyone did. Okay. Hey King, great to see you live again. I've been trading EMA for a while now and love it. You're most welcome. Yes, the EMA strategy is very beautiful. Here I'm only trading the basic version. However, if you enter in the full version that's available on my website, you see the deepness of this strategy, and you start seeing how beauty it is and the secrets of it, everything, of course. Here I'm just showing the basic version. Okay, let's continue. Peter, welcome. Okay. Thanks for your response. Listening to you gives me great joy. You're most welcome. It's my pleasure answering your question. Daiga, I paid with Visa card and no problem at all. You're most welcome, Daiga. Yeah, of course. You can use either a Visa card or MasterCard on my website, okay? Of course. King, do you trade every day? I used to, Vladimir. Okay, I used to be trading every day, of course. And I advise you to trade every day. Now, for the moment, no. I trade from a while to another, okay? It depends. No. Definitely, I do not trade. Why? Okay, I don't need money. I don't need anything, okay? I'm just enjoying my life, okay? I've traded for 12 years every day. No, it's not like that. I trade from time to another, okay? Just to enjoy, because I love it. I cannot quit at all. I love it. And since I've decided to start my legacy, building this YouTube channel and my website, so I always have to keep from time to another trading with you. I enjoy that a lot, okay? But for me to be trading every day, no, of course. I've used to do that, and believe me, even after 10, 11 years doing that, you you will get your retirement, let's say, okay, and you will be trading from time to another, okay. You will not be hungry anymore. So I want to trade every day, I want to learn, I want to make profits. No, 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 no. You've passed all of that. You've moved in your life to another level, okay, and hopefully every one of you reaches this great level, okay. One way to pay with Bitcoin, please. Unfortunately, Bitcoin is not available payment method on my website, okay. Okay, thanks. Okay, so the market is still in the second resistance area. Okay, now we've started this upward movement, as you can see. Okay, now we've started this upward movement. The market is moving upward. Okay, now we are at the last resistance area. So pay attention. Now we are at the last resistance area. Pay attention to test the weakness or the power of the market, of this bullish upward movement. Okay. So let's wait for the price to continue this upward movement. Okay. Okay, please could you include the crypto payment options, please, King? Unfortunately, really, crypto is not available on my website, okay? Bitcoin payments. It's only through prepaid cards, Visa card, MasterCard, okay? Credit cards, okay? Everything in cards, okay? It's through completing the checkout process successfully. Okay, Beben, the dollars. Congratulations for your dollars, for your profits, okay? Again, the market is heading upward, taking time actually, but AUD dollar also moved upward and now heading toward the EMAs. For the USD CAD, we don't have anything. For the USD CHF also. For the GBP dollar, still very close from the EMAs. And the euro dollar is still heading upward, okay? As I told you previously, as I explained, sometimes the market is very fast, sometimes it takes time, okay? So you cannot control that, of course. Okay, we are still in the last resistance area, but something is good here to be able to read the market better. You have to understand, the last time the market once reached this area, it was rejected immediately, as you can see. However, at this time, the market remained a little bit, okay? So now the market has moved there. As I told you here, exactly, it was rejected. The market predicted, exactly dictated my predictions, rejected from here, started to move upward, and here, as you can see, the market is between the EMAs, preparing for the upward movement. However, which is better or stronger from previously, is that the price held above or here in the last resistance area between EMA 50 and 200. The price has held a little bit and not as same as previously, where the market has been rejected immediately from the first candle entering this area, okay? And rejected immediately and started moving downward, okay, further. Again, the price is heading upward again, okay? What we need here is the volume to get higher, okay? So the market is moving upward, that's great after this rejection, but we need a higher volume so the market can move in a tougher mode much higher, okay? So let's see how the price is going to get upward. Again, the price is hovering here above EMA 50, which is a good sign because previously the market was rejected immediately. So the market now is holding a little bit above the EMA 50, the blue one. And at this area between 50 and 200, as you can see, the price is always reaching these EMAs, 9 and the 20. However, not being able to move downward further, okay? So it took some time. Let's wait for it. For the GBP dollar also, if you have sold here, you could have closed there. Okay, please leave another ways of payments. Okay, hopefully soon, traders. Hopefully soon. It's my pleasure at the end, okay? Have you ever closed your trades in a loss? I have watched almost all the videos on your channel. I never see you close in a loss. Exactly what you've seen. I never close in a loss, okay? I never. Okay, but of course it's not a rule. When you are starting out, of course you can have some losses, okay? It's not about losing or winning. It's about how much did you lose and how much did you win, okay? So at the end, what's important is, are you profitable or not? Okay, that's it. So if you are losing from time to another a little bit and the whole time you are winning and making big wins, okay, that's fine, that's acceptable, okay? For me, I never lose because, as I told you, it's about the feeling of the market. It's me trading, okay? It's me. You are seeing in front of you one of the best from the 1% successful, most successful Forex traders, okay? It's very hard to be trading in this way. It will take you time, but first you need to be on the right path and start from there. Building your own style, okay? Building your timing. You need your trading psychology. What about your fear? What about the feeling of greed and fear? How do you control that? How? You need time. You need years, okay, to build your trading psychology, to be tough. Okay, the market need a tough trader, okay? You have to deal with greed and fear always. Do I leave my position to be making more? Do I close my position out of fear? Do I leave it out of greed? Or I am really knowing what the market is going to do, okay? It's very hard to be in the middle, to remove greed, to remove fear, and to be focusing just on your trading, okay? That's it, on your timing, to focus on your timing. It will take you some time to be entering at the right time, okay? It will take you some time. This takes time, okay? Okay, so the euro dollar again is still fluctuating around the EMAs. USD yen, mainly the whole markets are fluctuating around the EMAs. Okay, it's fine. That's fine. So we are always waiting for the euro dollar to continue this upward movement. Okay, mainly the whole markets are close to EMAs. Okay, again. The euro dollar is still fluctuating there around the EMAs. As you can see now, the candles are very close from the EMAs. The price is moving downward slightly. Again, the price is moving downward slightly. So the market mainly has moved into a slow mode. Okay, I'll keep answering your questions. Meanwhile, let's see for other markets also. As you can see here for the GBP dollar also, same thing. The price is very close from the EMAs. Okay, so it's always for whole markets mainly. Okay, we cannot do anything about that. Tell us, King, how does it feel to be Kira of this world? Okay, it's like the champion of this world. It feels great, of course. Okay, it's I'm not talking about being the best, of course. Being the best, of course. Just imagine, I am the only one who trades live in front of the whole traders. Take a look at the whole other YouTube channels or any elsewhere. Okay, it's all pure nonsense. Everyone is selling you nonsense. Okay, no one trades live in front of the whole world. No one. Okay. Everyone is opening the chart and telling you, yes, here you should have bought, here you should have sold, here you should, as you can see, resistance and support lines, and you know this whole nonsense. Okay, so of course being the number one, being the best is something that you're proud of, and actually for this reason I've started my own channel, because I've seen lots of nonsense out there and the traders should be on the right path at the end. Okay, so that's why I've started my channel, and of course it feels great. Actually, success in everything you do, not just in trading. Success is a great feeling, okay? Feeling successful, being successful is something great that you should aim for, reach for, okay? Not just in Forex trading. Being successful, I think, is the most important, one of course, the most important things in life, because life is a great gift for you, but what is your gift for God in return, if you want, okay? Your success is your gift for God, because you have worked hard, you have paid the price of success, okay? You're not just living to live, okay? Of course, everyone should be aiming for success, okay? And working to reach success in whatever field that they have some passion for it or they love, okay? Not just in Forex trading. It feels great, believe me, because furthermore, okay, I wish I'm, of course, your answer is very big, and thank you for this question. It feels a lot, because many very important people from the most famous worldwide champions in the whole sports, athletes, whatever you want. Imagine these people, they are reaching out to you to ask you, is the euro going up? Is the euro going up? Should I buy now? Should I invest now? Okay, can you please trade for me? Can you manage my money? Please, I want to scalp the market. I have lots of money. I am a big athlete. Okay, please, can you trade for me? Can you manage my money? Imagine the whole people reaching out to you to ask you about trading, to take your opinion, to ask you if you can trade for them, to get your strategies. Many famous people have bought my strategies, and I've made a video special for them to thank them, because it's really a pleasure for me. I knew from the beginning of starting this channel that I'm going to build my legacy. So just imagine your importance, that the most important people, the most famous people, anyone is trying to reach, is following you to get your knowledge, either by buying your products or asking you, or okay, just imagine how important you are. Okay, just imagine. That's why I don't like to make my private life with my career. Okay, I'd like to keep my life as private as possible. That's what I'm talking about. Now let's look here. Let's look here. The upward movement has started. What did I told you? What did I say, traders? The upward movement has started. We've been talking and discussing beautiful things, and the market is moving upward finally. We've been waiting a lot for this movement. As I told you, the market here was rejected. I bought it again here because at this level the market was rejected. And as I told you, the market now is moving upward. Take a look at this beautiful upward movement. Now, of course, you are in big profits. Take a look at this beautiful upward movement, traders. Take a look. The market is heading upward. The market is heading upward. Okay, now I'll start closing. Now start closing. We have reached the EMA 200. Now you can start closing on your profits, traders. Okay, now you can start closing on your profits, traders. Okay, and now the market is continuing to move upward. Take a look at this great upward movement. Okay, enjoying my time with you with these $1,500 dollars profits, while enjoying our time with you. Okay, as you can see, in few minutes you can make a lot. Okay, traders, now tell me how much of profits you've made from this entry. Okay, before entering another one, tell me how much of profits you've made from this entry. Now you should close on your profits, and please tell us how much of profits you've made from this entry before preparing for our new selling opportunity. Tell us how much of profits you've made from this entry, traders. Take a look. Okay, now you should close on your profits. Now you should be closing on your profits. Okay, and tell us how much of profits you've made from this entry. Okay, now you should be closing on your profits. Okay, and now it's time to sell this beautiful market, and please tell us how much of profits you've made from this entry. Okay? Okay, take a look. Now sell this market. Tell us how much of profits you've made from buying this market, and now start selling this beautiful euro-dollar market. Okay? Created for you to make big profits. Today, all of our entries were on the euro-dollar market. Okay? There's no problem with that. Okay, now it's time to start selling this market. So you should have. Now sell this market. Close on your profits. Please tell us how much of profits you've made. You've made big profits, I'm sure. So tell us, traders, how much of profits you've made. Tell us how much of profits you've made. And now start selling this market and prepare yourself to close on your profits on this market. Okay, but first tell us how much of profits you've made from this market. That's how you flip your account very easily. Okay. Tomorrow will be 1 year that I started to trade Daiga. I'm so glad that I found your YouTube channel, King. Thank you so much. I'm a profitable Forex trader, and it's because of you. These are the best words that I would like to hear from you, traders, that you are becoming profitable. that you are successful, that you are killing the market, okay? Congratulations from deep of my heart, Daiga. Congratulations for you and congratulations for your big profits. I'm glad you found King very early. Congratulations. Thank you. Okay. I found his channel in July. Okay. Started live trading in September and have never looked back to any other YouTube nonsense. Exactly. Unfortunately, but this is the truth. Lots of nonsense out there. Tell me one trader that trades live. Okay. This man is a trading Bible and my mentor. Thank you, King. You're most welcome, Daiga. It's my pleasure. It's my legacy. Okay. Traders, stop the nonsense right now. Okay. You don't need someone telling you buy here, sell there. This is support line. This is resistance line. The fundamentals are telling that the euro is going upward. No. Just write on Google, for example, euro dollar forecast, and you will see millions of forecasts. What is all of that? What in which basket you put all of these in the basket of nonsense? Okay, don't listen to anyone. Don't tell me here you should have bought, here you should have, okay, trade in front of me. Trade in front of the whole world and show me your skills, okay? Okay, traders? Stop wasting your time with nonsense. How about USD? Okay, I always make my turn to all pairs, but here we have the euro dollar is on fire actually, so, okay. Let me check for you. Okay, for the GBP dollar, you can start selling it. For the euro dollar, please tell us how much of profits you've made here, closing here after buying this market with me. Tell us how much of profits you've made from buying this market with me, and now prepare to close on your profits almost there. Prepare to close on your profits for the euro dollar, okay? Okay, I will answer your question about the USD yen. For the USD yen, it's moving upward a little bit, so it's not making very big movements. So you can close here once the price reaches the EMA 20, okay, again and again. So for the USD yen, it's going to reach EMA 20, you can close there for the second entry. And if you've made already your first entry, you could have closed here with some good profits, okay? So for the euro dollar now, prepare yourself to close, but tell us before how much of profits you've made from your buying entries, okay? And as you can see, we're on fire, non-stop orders, okay? As you can see, we are trading non-stop, okay? The account is always buying or selling, non-stop trading. That's how you do scalping, but of course, never overtrade. I'm not overtrading. However, the market provided me with good, great opportunities. That's why I am entering the market with the non-stop orders, okay? But it's not about that trading. Trading is about waiting for the right opportunity. However, sometimes the market will give you consecutive good opportunities, and that's the case, our case today, okay? So here, take a look. We are selling this market and waiting for the price to reach the EMA 9, the first one. The market is slightly higher than EMA 9, and here take a look previously at my predictions. What did I say? The market is missing the volume to cross EMA 20 and hold above it. Once, take a look how much we've waited. We've waited this whole period just for the volume to reach EMA 20, to become very high, to cross EMA 20 and get very high, and from there the market started the upward movement. Imagine, from there we knew that the market is going to move upward. I told you that the market has accumulated the bullish power, but it took this time for the whole buyers to meet there, to enter at one time, once at all, and move this market upward. And that's something you cannot control, of course, the speed of the market, okay? However, trading in high volatility market, okay, that's $450 in profits very easily, okay? These 2K for today are great after 2 hours around in trading, okay? That's great. However, we're just trading to have fun with you traders, okay? I used to be making hundreds of thousands of dollars in a day, even millions in some highest earning days. My records are in millions. In one day, I've made more than $1 million, okay? I've made millions in one day. These are my records, okay? However, trading with you is just to enjoy it and to make you learn from me as much as possible. So hopefully I've explained as much as possible every situation entered, okay? Okay, we'll be answering your question again and again. Okay, now close on your profits with euro dollar before it moves upward, okay, to remove this risk, and please tell us how much of profits you've made from this market. Okay, for the USD yen, if you are waiting to reach the MA20, someone was asking, now you can sell it to reach MA20, the red one. Okay, so this is your full answer. Okay, Dance, here in Canada, still not able to buy your course, tried cards, spoke to my bank, no problem on their side, please help King. Okay. Unfortunately, some cards are declined for different reasons, as you know, okay? Cards are declined sometimes for different reasons, okay? So what you can do is to make sure you are putting the right info, okay? Because it's the security of the payment processor when you are purchasing online, you need to be placing the right info, okay? And use only the English language in all fields, okay? Use only English language. If it's not working, then the security of the payment processor has not accepted your card. So there's something in your info. You need to review that with your bank, okay? Because the whole world have bought from my website and everything was fine, okay? It's very rare to have your card declined. However, if this happens, make sure to use only English letters. Sometimes if you are using a mobile, try from a PC. It's much better. Okay, try to restart your PC and then or your laptop and discuss it with your bank. There should be something, the security of the payment processor rejecting your card, so there should be something in your card. Check with your bank about the info about that. Okay. You are my king, 30 euros. Okay, respect for you. I'm first time here, but I can see you got big knowledge. You're most welcome. You're most welcome to my channel. And thank you for your kind words. 10 euros. Thanks, King. The best, Jake. Excellent. 700. Congratulations. Let's trade on its own $400. Why? $1,000 USD. Thank you, KOF. You're really hero. Thank you so much. $1,340 profits today. Total, I made $4,800. Imagine. So some of you trading with me in this live have made thousands of dollars, and we're just chatting and I'm enjoying my time with you, and many of you have made thousands of dollars. It's my pleasure, traders. Okay, again, 1K, sir. Okay, David, congratulations for your $1,000 profits. Thanks, King. I have been following you since 1 year, and whenever you come online, I will make more money. Thank you. You're most welcome, Fanzi. It's always my pleasure, okay, that you are trading live with me and earning a lot. Haters are even here. Someone is asking about King. Yes, I know. Haters, what do haters do? They are always following you, okay? That's fine. Welcome on board, haters. Keep following me. Dream about me. Okay, the euro dollar is moving upward, is moving downward in aggressive mode. However, I have lots of. Okay, so if you want to enter a buying opportunity on euro dollar, now you can enter, but wait for the end of this candle to start entering it. Okay, just wait for the close. Now you can start entering and wait further down. Okay. It's worth to subscribe your channel. You're most welcome, okay? You do everyday live trading? No, I'm not scheduling my live streamings. You just have to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell to turn on all notifications so you receive an instant notification whenever I'm going live, okay? I'm not scheduling my live streamings. Whoa, you are a god. Thank you so much. Okay. I'm just the best Forex trader worldwide, and God gave me this gift. Okay, God is everything, and God gave me this gift to become the best Forex trader. Believe me, I've started from zero. It was very, very, very hard for me. My worst days was there 13, 12, 11 years ago. Okay, and always believe in God and that you will reach your goal and work hard for it. Okay. You are really the king, Angel. Thank you, Angel. You're most welcome. We cannot buy anything except Bitcoin. Okay. Okay, so as I told you here to buy the euro dollar, so if you have bought, it's very close from closing, okay? Okay, so as I told you here, if you have bought the euro dollar, now you can close on your profits, okay? Okay, what do you think about Forex funded challenges as against trading your private account? Do you encourage trading funded accounts or not? Okay, actually I've answered this question previously. If you watch the replay of this live streaming from the beginning, someone has asked a similar question and I have answered. Okay, so please watch the replay. I will not answer it twice. Okay, watch the replay and you can see the answer at the beginning of this live streaming. I don't know exactly at which moment, but I'm definitely sure that someone has asked and I've answered it. Okay, okay, take a look here. If you have bought the euro dollar, now it's time to close. Okay, I didn't enter because we've been training for more than 2 hours. It's great for me. Okay, I should take a break, go to eat, to have a lunch, and to have to enjoy my time. Okay. Okay, further than that, from where you learn trading king? From myself, of course. Okay, first of all, I've started to see some small successful traders when I started out, and then built my own style and started from there. Okay, trading is your own style at the end. Okay, when do you plan to come online again? Again, I'm not scheduling my live streaming traders, okay? $20 on a small account, only using micro lot on my way to the pass. You're most welcome. Of course, $20 on micro lot, imagine. So on mini lot, it would be in hundreds, and in a one lot, it would be in thousands, okay? Summer, God bless you. Only unsuccessful traders are jumping from one strategy to another. Stick to king strategies and practice. Exactly, Daiga, exactly. Moving from one strategy to another is the way to fail in Forex trading. Can you tell what EMAs are on your chart? Please watch my content from the beginning. Everything is on my content, and the complete trading skill set is available on my website, okay? Dino, thanks. You are the man. You're most welcome, Dino. Okay, so many of you traders have made big profits today. I'm so glad for that. Everyone go to church and thanks God that you encountered this YouTube channel. Thank you, Philip. Thank you, really. I can see your chart 1 minute. Why not 5 minutes? Okay, you can trade the 5 minute. However, the M1 time frame or the 1 minute is the seed of Forex of the chart. The seed, you know what's the seed? So the zero, the level 0. The price creates everything in M1. You can trade M5, you can trade M30, whatever. You can trade daily, okay? But you are doing scalping. You want to enter and exit the market very fast. So that's why you will be looking for M1, much faster than M5. The second reason is everything is built in M1. So what you can read on the 1 minute chart takes time to read on M5, takes longer to read on daily time frame. But of course, if you are, it depends on your time horizon. If you are trading for investing one-time position, of course you will be looking for daily, weekly, monthly, okay, or even maybe yearly, okay. But if you are scalping, M1 is the best. Scalping is the best way, the most profitable way. What you can make from scalping, the amount of profits you can make, you can never ever make it from any elsewhere. Even in investing, you cannot make what I can make in one day in scalping, okay. So M1 gives you much more opportunities, and we want that. Imagine now we've traded for some hours non-stop, okay. The second main reason is everything is built on M1. You can read the M1 very clearly, okay. Hello King, it's me Ricky. Hope you are doing well. You're most welcome, Ricky. I tried all the way to buy on your website, but I can only buy with Bitcoin. If possible, leave away. Hopefully soon, traders. Can you please do one more trade? You are amazing. Cameron, you're most welcome. You can watch my channel. I have many live streamings. You can watch the replay of this one and the previous live streamings, okay? Being here for more than 2 hours, really I have to close soon. I am late. I just joined. Yes, you're actually at the end. You can watch the replay so you don't miss anything. After all, you really are the god of this. I have not seen anyone like you. Thank you so much. Exactly. Here I am in front of the whole world. I am telling you that I am the #1 Forex trader worldwide. Okay, this is the best Forex trading channel. Okay, really, it's my pleasure. It's my legacy. Okay, thank you very much for your kind words. I have some knowledge about trading. What should I get from your lessons? The complete trading skill set is available on my website from A to Z. Okay. Thank you so much, King. I made 20 USD using my microlot account. You're most welcome. Can you do one more trade for latecomers? Well, really, it's been more than 2 hours, and really I have to close. Here I could have entered the market, as I told you, to buy here and close there. Okay, you could have bought here and close there. Okay, really I have to go. Okay, can you do one more? Okay, I understand. I appreciate King. I appreciate it, King. Okay, thank you, King. Please, one more trade, just one, pretty please. Really, I've been there for more than 2 hours, so really I have to go. Okay, I wish really I could have more time to trade more. Okay, King, please come back soon. Yes, hopefully very soon. Are you trading now that America is opening? Yes, you can trade the whole sessions. No worries. You can trade the whole sessions. New York sessions, London sessions, the whole sessions. Just avoid the first and last couple of hours in any trading day. At any trading day, avoid the first and last hours of trading, because at this time the market is usually very slow and spreads are high. So avoid the last and first hours of any trading day. But you can trade the whole sessions, okay? Hello, King. A bit of summary will do. You are the best, King. I joined Forex by watching what you did. I now use moving average thanks to you. You're most welcome. You're most welcome, and congratulations for your improvement. Kindly do one more, King. No, really. Okay, you do live trading every day. As I have answered previously, I'm not scheduling my live streaming, so please make sure to click on to subscribe and click on the notification bell of my channel, so you receive an instant notification whenever I'm going live. Okay, kindly notify next time you are. Exactly, that's what I'm talking about. Once you click on the notification bell of my channel, whenever I go live, you will receive an instant notification, okay, telling you that King of Forex is live, and you will be able to watch. Okay. Okay, traders, that's it for today. Again, congratulations for your big profits made with me today. Congratulations for your big improvement. Congratulations for your success. Getting my strategies, everything on my website, starting from there and becoming successful and telling me really is a great thing that I hear every day, millions of times. Thank you, traders, for your kind words. Congratulations for your improvement. Congratulations for your success in Forex trading. Keep moving forward, never look back. Keep moving forward day in, day out. You're on the best career ever. If you are liking it, if you have passion for it, continue. Okay, this is the best, most lucrative career. And congratulations for your big profits made with me today. That's it for today. Okay, thank you for watching.